Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix the flashlight not working on your iPhone after the iOS 18 update. So let's get started. First of all, let me explain. There are two ways to turn on the flashlight. One is press and hold the flashlight icon on the lock screen, or swipe down to open the control center and then tap the flashlight icon here. If neither method works, follow these steps I am showing you here. You have to force restart your iPhone. To do it, you have to press the volume and volume down button quickly and then hold the side button of your iPhone until the screen goes completely black. Then just restart your iPhone, and if this method doesn't work, then try this instead of that method. You have to check your battery level, charge your iPhone to at least 20%. A lot low battery may disable the flashlight. Turn off low power mode, go to settings, battery. Then if low power mode is on, turn it off. As you can see, mine is already turned off. And also make sure that you resetted your settings from general and click on transfer or reset iPhone and tap onto erase all content and settings. Make sure that you have saved your all data in a drive or something, because it will delete all the data you have on your iPhone. And now test the flashlight in camera app. Now you just turn on camera and then check your flashlight. That's it. Also check for software updates. If any update is available on your iPhone, make sure that you updated your iPhone. Hopefully these steps fix your flashlight issue. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.